Yo, View Nation, have you ever seen a wine bottle lamp? Well, if you stay tuned and check out this video, you'll see one today. Alright? Yo, Skippy, roll that intro. Okay, YouTube, this your boy Mark for Loose Screws Reviews, back to give another video. But you know how we do. Before we get started, let's get all that business and politicking out of the way. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you'll be notified of new videos. Tell a friend, tell a friend. Go ahead and subscribe. Alright, now that we got all that business and politicking out of the way, let's get to the video. Yo, View Nation, it's your main man Mark, back giving another video. Today we're going to take a look at something a little bit different out of the ordinary. This is a wine bottle LED touch lamp. Yep, I did say wine bottle LED touch lamp. Alright, but before we get started, can you do me a favor? Can you go down there and hit that subscribe button? It really helps the channel. Alright, appreciate it. Oh man, today we're going to be taking a look at a wine bottle LED touch lamp. Yep, something that you would never thought you would need it. I saw this, I was like, man, I gotta check this out. I was like, what, a wine bottle lamp? So I was like, man, let's check this out. I'm gonna give you a few of the specs real quick. It's a touch lamp with a 5200 mAh rechargeable battery. It's IP54 rated, waterproof for outdoors. It has a rechargeable battery in it. You know, it's got the rechargeable, 5200 mAh battery in it. It's dimmable. It's good for camping and all that good stuff. And they come in different colors. Right now we have the black colorway look like, but it's said it comes in the white, black, blue, gray, silver, and gold. You take a look at that. These are the colors that comes in. All right. But this is something different. I would have never expected to see nothing like this. I mean, let's see here. It has the dimensions on here on the sides. You can pause this and read it for yourself. Get your little information on there, and it's basically showing it, on the table. Let's get this bad boy out of the box. Instead of just looking at the box, let's see what we got inside the box. All right. See what we got inside this box. All right, we got some instructions. You might want to hold on to them, put them to the side. Let's see right here what we got here. How do you get this bad boy out? Okay. Oh, okay. That's how you get it out. Okay. All right. Here it is. Put it to the side. What else we got in the box? Okay, we got a charging cable. Let's see what kind of. Oh, USB-C. Okay. They doing it. USB-C. All right. Let's put that to the side. Nothing else in the box. Let's put this phone back in the box so we don't lose it. All right. Close it back up. Let's take the bad boy out of this plastic. It's got some weight to it. This got some weight to it. Let's see here. Let's toss that to the side. It's like you got your power button right here, and underneath, this is where your charging slot, where you go ahead and plug in your charge cord. Let's plug it in just to be doing it. Plug it in. Okay, there you go. That's how you would charge it. All right, let's take that out. Let's see here. So you got light. Okay, it doesn't want to go back in, but anyway, you got light on the bottom, and this is what will go on top of your bottle, and you got light on the top. So it's made of. This feels like it's metal. Yeah, this is made of metal because it's got a lot of weight to it. But let's go ahead and cut it on. Let's see here. All right. Oh, okay. One tap on. Did it go brighter? Okay, off. One on, off. Okay. Press and hold. Let's see what it does in press and hold. Okay, it dims down. Press and hold again, and it brightens up. What would it do if you double tap? Okay, you turn on and off, and you can dim it and brighten it back up. So that's about it. So what I want to do is, let's change these angles real quick. What I want to do is go ahead and let's try it out. Let's get a bottle. I don't drink, so let's try to find some kind of bottle to put it on and see how it looks. All right, hold tight. Okay, I got two different bottles. Like I said earlier, I don't drink. I used to drink, but I don't drink anymore, so I couldn't find a wine bottle. So this will have to do for the video purposes, for demonstration purposes anyway. So let's try. Let's see. We got soy sauce, and we got We got some ginger ale. Let's try the ginger ale. I mean, hey, it's a drink. All right, okay, that's that's different. Turn the light on. Okay, that's different. But I think with this, it's not going to be too stable with a bottle like this. It's going to have a bottle with a long neck on it. So let's take the ginger ale off and let's put it on the soy sauce. Hey, you might have soy sauce sitting on your table and hey, just want to have it like that. Who knows? Now this is more stable. It doesn't feel like it's going to tip over. Now with this one, you know, it's not stable. It's going to wobble and it's going to fall. But when this falls, it's not going to break because this thing is solid steel. This is solid metal. So, but you know, just to be comfortable, you have it on something like with a longer neck, you know. What I can say is designed for a wine bottle, which I don't have, but it is what it is. But for demonstration purposes, this will work. This will work. Anyway, man, it's different. It's different. Matter of fact, let me cut these lights off and see how it looks in the dark. All right, hold tight. All right, we got the lights off and we got it sitting on top of the soy sauce bottle. Let's go ahead and cut this bad boy on and see how bright it is. Okay. Let's see. Let's put it on top of the ginger ale. Okay. Let's dim it down some. Matter of fact, let me put it back on this one. Let's dim it down some. See how low it goes. All right, there you go. It's like a little night light right now, and then you brighten it back up. Bam. Too easy. Do it again. Dim it down. One touch hold. Now you're down at low, like a night light. Brighten it back up. Bam. Too easy. Let's cut these lights back on and finish out this video. Okay. We got the lights back on, and I think this is pretty neat. This is something different, something I've never seen before. This is something different. I think this will come in handy times when the storms come through and the power goes out. This would be something good to have on hand. Oh, let me tell you something about the battery life on here. It says it can be used for more than 10 hours after a full charge, and the longest time can be up to 24 hours. So they're saying you can get 10 to 24 hours. So that's going to depend if you got it bright or if you got it down low using it as a night light. But other than that, I mean, it's pretty decent. It's different. It's something different. I mean, you know what? This would be cool to have out if you have a party. If you have a party and you got your little wine out there, whatever, and you set it on there. Now that's where this will shine right here. You know, this would be good to have out for parties. You know, other than that, you know, it's be good to have on hand. You know, like I say, you know, when the power goes out and you need some light, then this will be something good to bring out. You know, let's see here. Other than that, I mean, it's a light. You know, it's an LED light. You know, table light. But I'm gonna leave a link down in the description box below where you can get more detailed information on it. You know, like I said, I'm not an expert. I'm just a regular everyday person. You know, just like everybody else bringing these products. You know, just showcase on the channel. But yeah, I think this is neat. Like I said, I'm gonna leave a link down in the description box below when you get more detailed information on it. And hey, pretty cool. But what I think about it, you know, it's nice to have. Do you need it? No. But yeah, I think it's a conversation piece, if anything, at a party. But yeah, I'm gonna leave a link down in the description box below where you can get more detailed information. All right. If you haven't already, go ahead to like, subscribe, notification bell so you notify new videos. Tell a friend, tell that friend to subscribe so they can see new and neat gadgets like this. All right. And like I always say, treat people how you want to be treated. Treat people better than you want to be treated. All right. Let's see here. The message for today is stop worrying about tomorrow. All right. Stop worrying about tomorrow and enjoy the moment. You know, live for the day. All right, because tomorrow gonna take care of itself. So stop worrying about what's going on tomorrow, what you're gonna do tomorrow, this or that. Just you know, enjoy the day. All right, because you keep worrying about what's going to do tomorrow, that and this and that. You mess around and have gray hair and have bad nerves. So the message for the day is enjoy the moment and don't worry about tomorrow because it'll take care of itself. This has been your main man, Mark, for Loose Screws Reviews. Drop the mic, and I'm out. Peace.